Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is V8 Nate. I'm going to be doing my very first how-to video installing a Fitech EFI setup on my Volkswagen Bug. I will be installing a Fitech 39001 Go EFI 2-barrel on my 2058 Type 1. I will be removing the recently installed crank-fired ignition system and reinstalling my 009 distributor, since most people who will be installing this will have a standard distributor. I will be hooking up the crank-fired ignition system later on, but I want to get it running on the standard distributor first. Now we can go over and have a look at the actual EFI system itself. Here's most of the parts. It's a 2-barrel Fitech, high pressure pump. This is some of that push lock line, along with the fittings and the clamps. I won't be using any of that. I have PTFE-6 line I'm going to be using. 2-barrel progressive intake manifold, along with a little adapter. I bought those intake end castings and the air cleaner separately. A few gaskets, wiring harness. I believe that this is the one that AJ extends out. Intake manifold boots, a few studs. These look like some of the pieces, along with this throttle bracket here. Those are some of the pieces for the throttle cable kit that AJ supplies with this kit. I didn't get the cable with mine, so I'm going to be making a bell crank. This is the new handheld oxygen sensor. Coolant temperature sensor, which will be oil temp for Volkswagens. I thought this was pretty cool that AJ did. He just ended up putting this sensor in a fuel pump block-off plate. And then for the fuel delivery, come right off the main outlet of the tank. Then this is a gauge port, or inline gauge fitting. So that's your feed and your return right there. I thought that was pretty trick. So that's the parts going on it. Stay tuned. I'll be doing multiple videos on the full installation of this Fitech EFI kit on my 1966 Bug. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.